these five variables are very subtle to be understood. One of them is universal law. Anything which is happening is going through a universal law. If this booklet falls down from here, it will have a different noise. But if it falls from ahead, the noise will be different. If this hand is touched in between, it will be different. If it's in this space, it's near you, away from you, it's the wind is blowing or not. All the natural factors, environmental factors, gravitational factors will work on it. And it will decide if it falls, slips from the hands, what kind of noise or sound or wave it will create. And this wave will immediately affect directly or indirectly to whom or her. Will be decided based on that mathematics of nature also. So universal law, that is known as niyati, the factor 1. The factor 2 is swabhav, the nature of the object, like it is pudgal, or it is consciousness, it is life, it is non-living, what it is water, it's air, it's fire, everything has its own nature. Fire is there, fire का मन कितना ही अच्छा हो भाई, it will heat you. अब वो जो poisonous snake है, आपसे बहुत प्रेम हो गया, उसको कुछ नहीं करता है वो, पर आपने उसको टच किया, स्टिमुलाई किया तो जैसे हिलेगा तो डंक ही लगेगा वो. ऐसा नहीं कि उसने अमृत डाल दिया, उसके बाद जो है वही निकलेगा बाहर, वो नहीं डाल रहा, पर स्टिमुलाई को टच हुआ तो एकदम जैसे अपने कहते ना ऐसे यहाँ पे ऐसे एक थोड़ा एक इम्पल्सिव कुछ एक्शन हमारे हो जाते हैं, रिस्पॉन्स अंदर से हो जाते हैं, तो वो रिस्पॉन्डिंग एक्शन में वो पॉइजन निकलेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आपको कोई चलो अमृत दे दिया, आज सांप का मन हुआ अमृत दे, क्योंकि सांप का एक स्वभाव है. तो हर वस्तु का अपना एक स्वभाव, एक नेचर है. आपने तुलसी का पत्ता खाया है, काली मिर्च खाई है, दालचीनी खाई है, सबकी अलग अलग प्रॉपर्टीज है जी. तो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द सब्सटेंस, दैट इज प्रॉपर्टी इज नेचर. द नेचर ऑफ द सब्सटेंस, द यूनिवर्सल लॉ. फिर थर्ड थिंग इज the karma, the karmic law. Okay, what actions you did in the past, which were recorded and now decoded in the as an impact on the present scenario. But it has some maybe cascading effect or amplifying effect or whatever. Fourth is purusharth, the efforts made by you, by your intention. There is tension, but your intention is noble. What you make, what you see, what is your say in it, that will all matter. It is point 4. So point 1 is, can we repeat?
Universal.
Point 1 is universal law. Point 2 is nature. Point 3 is karmic law. Point 4 is niyati is there. Purusha. Your effort, your inner efforts. So we have concluded to 4 points till now. The 5th point is missing still. Can anyone say? That is calm, time. Everything has its time. You have sown the seeds. You have made the efforts of water. The fruit has its nature. It is working on the universal law, but it will give to the fruition on a given point of time. Like that, there is a season for it, or there is a timing of it. बोले बहुत मेहनत की, बहुत मेहनत की, रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. अरे भाई थोड़ा सब्र रख लो. It is just going to happen. पर उसी टाइम में आपने छोड़ दिया. उसने कहा किस्ती डूबी इसका ना हमें गम था, कम इस बात का था जहाँ डूबी वहाँ पानी कम था. मतलब पहुंचने ही वाले थे, उसने अपने पेशेंस को लूज कर दिया. क्योंकि समय का भी अपना खेल है. कुछ चीजें टाइम बाउंड भी चलती है. अगर ये अच्छा समय आ गया, अच्छा समय आ गया, इसका मतलब क्या? क्या वो ज्योतिष आपका भाग्य लिखा है? क्या उसके लकीरों में भाग्य लिखा होगा? तो इन अ वे यस, मतलब इसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि आपके स्वभाव, आपके पुरुषार्थ, आपके कर्म के अकॉर्डिंग आप कहाँ पे मूव कर रहे हो. व्हाट इज द पैटर्न? बिकॉज देयर इज एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ पैटर्न. if you behave in such and such way, there will be such symbols. This is all mathematics. This is all mathematics. Everywhere all symbols, imprint, यहाँ तिल आ गया, यहाँ मसा आ गया, ये हुआ, वो हुआ. All signs, symbols, all is the pattern. So the seekers, what they did, the observers, they observed the reality. When they found that yes, if there is a till over here, that person bounds to be in that way. His nature works that way.
So are you able to decode?
So no, we are the learners, we are the seekers. But important is to understand that the reality is, it exists. But importantly, Mahavir Prabhu introduced that this fourth factor, which is Purushar, it is the prime. All these four factors, all these four other factors can be observed by just the observation. But fifth is intention and action, which you do. And if everything was driven by nature or auto-molded, then your role is zero then. How you can emerge as a hero? If you don't just flow with the flow, but you grow and glow with the flow. You grow with the flow means you are ready to find the strength even in the struggles. Smile even in the stressing times. You are rough and tough even in the tough times. You are able to tackle in the turbulent times. That calm, being calm and composed in that situation becomes your inner effort, your purusharth. Like, I have a karma that I cannot learn in the one go. I need 2 readings to learn and crystallize that thought in my mind. For good retention, I need twice reads. That's okay. So this karma will say, oh, in your studies you need more efforts. He goes to, oh, he can learn in one go. So now I say, oh, I have very low bhagya. My destiny is very low. No, it means that my destiny is saying for reaching destination, I need not only fascination, but strong determination. It needs deep efforts, committed efforts for the same. It means I can do it. But it will need committed efforts. That's it. So commitment can do it. And there are examples who have won the game, win the struggles in a different part of life. They became a sadhu or a monk in the later age of life, like 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. And then they started learning. Everybody was just laughing on them. Oh, you cannot do anything. It's difficult to learn for you. This. He took the challenge and he started working on it. He made efforts 10 times, 20 times. And then he could crack and he could do miracles. There is one sadhu whose name is given in the ancient Jain literature, who became the Acharya later on. He was challenged that, oh, you are doing this all learning and all these things, but you are not receptive, you don't have retention power, you don't have a grasping good power. You cannot do it. Why are you wasting time? You don't know, I want to do it. I want to do it. I have a strong will. I will. He makes a strong resolve. He is determined. And all the undermining pillars are undermined. He gets it, he refines himself, he defines that he can do it. And he is able to deliver. And people told, and there was a gossip that, oh, if he can learn, it means, can this dry wood give birth to a plant? Is it possible? It is not possible. He was challenged at this. But he did that aradhana. That if I have the power, if I have the inner will, even this dry wood would yield a green crop. And it happened. It was a miracle. A dry wooden block gave their life form. How it happened? It was just a miracle. But I mean to say, when you have intensity, this is again the Purusha. So Purusharth can change the scenario. So now it is up to you. You make strenuous Purusharth or a smart Purusharth. Strenuous Purusharth means the karma, there is a strong blocking karma. You have to unblock it by doing hammering hard and harsh, and you can reach it. You can breach the block and you can reach the destination, whatever you wish. And the point two is smartly handling means okay, I am good at this, not that good at this. Okay, I am good at it, let's be the best of it. Now good, let's work on that. Be the better one and the best one. If I am good at it, I can be the best of it also. And it starts working on it. So there are such endeavors which we can make. What's the good time?
8:30 हो गया सर।
हो गया टाइम?
हाँ टाइम हो गया सर।
अरे
8:36
नहीं 8:36 हो गया।
आप आयो टाइम हुआ था।
क्या बात है। तो first of all we do the Aradha Vandana because 8:30 is the right time to start the communication.
Thank you for organizing.
अरे
So we
He's
start the
my
Aradha Vandana.
93-year-old cousin. भाई साहब सबसे बड़े।
93 years old cousin.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Senior, power. In the morning also the your Mosi ji came or someone. She was
नहीं
also.
वो मेरी मासी की मेरी बुआ के साथ।
हाँ.
He's eldest in the family.
Eldest. So सदा स्वीकारो तेरा पन देवता श्रद्धा स्वीकारो तेरा पंथ शासन देवता ओम ह्रीं नमो अरहंताणं ओम ह्रीं नमो